trial date for that. And does anyone have a copy of the motion to travel? Arturo Villanueva?
Yes.
Sure. Good morning, Your Honor. That's my client.
Oh,
That motion to travel is basically from the 20th to the 27th of this month, and it's to go to Alabama.
All right. Yes. All right, thank you. Don't run. All right, while she's doing that, what date for jury trial state? How long do you expect this trial to last?
Day, Judge, day.
All right, Norma, I need a jury trial date, criminal trial division, a day. Thank you. All right, your jury trial date is going to be September 3rd. You'll need to make sure that you are in court dressed for trial. All right, next we're going to proceed on the motion. State, are you ready?
Find a copy of the motion.
Here you go.
Your Honor, is that the motion to travel?
Yes. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 0176, State of Texas versus Arturo Villanueva. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
Daniel Vela on behalf of Mr. Villanueva.
And are you Arturo Villanueva?
yes.
All right, state, any objection to counsel and defendant appearing by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the defense has filed a motion to permit interstate travel from July 20th through July 27th to Alabama. State, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor. We just asked that the defendant be UA'd upon return.
All right. And defense, how is he arriving in Alabama? Is he driving?
I believe
Yes.
so.
Villanueva,
Yes,
how are
with the
you getting
family.
to Alabama?
Yes, with our family.
All right. So I don't know if there are any conditions because this is a failure to stop and render aid in a moving vehicle. So I don't know if there are any conditions of his bond that he's not allowed to drive. Does anyone
Not to
know?
my knowledge.
No, there's not one.
All right. Does anyone want to check? Because it'll be a shame for him to be driving in Alabama and it's a violation of his conditions of bond. Mr. Villanueva, do you have
Yes.
a no driving?
No,
There
no,
has never been any conditions like that
No.
since he was
Just-
arrested for this.
All right, so it needs to be one at a time. Court reporter is already, can barely hear you all. So one person speak at a time. Mr. Villanueva, have
yes.
there been any conditions of your bond that you are not allowed to drive?
No. No, ma'am.
All right. To the clerks, do you all see anything where he's not allowed to drive? Okay. All right, then what the court will do, the court will, there's no order attached to your motion, but the court will grant permission to travel. There should be a UA upon return. And you're allowed to travel to Alabama from July 20th, 2024 through July 27th, 2024. And
Thank you.
Mr. Villanueva, Your jury trial is going to be September 3rd. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Is there anything else?
Nope.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. You're both excused.
Something about that. Yeah.
Joshua Wong. All right. This is Criminal Trial Division.
Yes.
All right. So what is happening with Mr. Wong's case?
Judge, Commissioner Pro is looking for firstly a PETD.
Okay.
This is something I would have to take to my supervisor, which I can do today, although I don't know if he's there or, but I can't do it today, or, I mean, if we get a small reset, I could, get, accomplish that, at least get an answer and then confer off docket with Mr. Brown.
All right. So how much time are you asking for, State?
At least 2 weeks, Judge.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, on Wong, can I have a 3-week reset, please? Thank you. You may be excused.
August 5th?
All right. We'll be back on August 5th.
Okay.
All right. Are you feeling okay?
Yes.
All right. If there's something happened where you were lightheaded or passed out, you probably need to go see a doctor. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
Daniel Rivera?
Judge.
Yes.
Yes. Joshua Day? Ready?
Thank you.
If I could have Camilla's on the she's on Zoom. We're taking it.
You know what I mean?
Thank you.
Let's say they're on.
Yeah.
When these are done. All right, and Norman, this attorney did not sign them.
Yeah, we did have, he would look at Chester.
All right. Camillus Galvan,
Sorry, he is on Zoom. May I approach?
yes.
Might be the last.
All right, so what's the jury trial date?
Your Honor, right, Mr. Martinez has a vacation letter 8/15 to 8/16 and 9/19 to 9/27. Otherwise.
Did y'all confer with Ms.
Oh, I'm
Ferguson?
sorry.
Okay. And State, If y'all want to confer on a jury trial date with Ms. Ferguson,
These are the
an
three
agreeable date.
days out.
Carla
I
Fernandez.
think somebody said September 3rd. That was an option. We haven't, because later on, we're gonna get into those dates, right? Okay. That work for you? Okay.
All right, so what date?
Your Honor, I believe September 3rd works for everybody.
All right, Mr. Galvin, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. We're gonna call you back on September 3rd. That will be your jury trial date. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You're excused.
Have a good morning. Thank
All
you.
right, thanks. You too.
Excellent.
Okay, and let me just make sure. Yes, I do have the trial, the acknowledgement of discovering each file. All right, thank you. You
Thank
both
you,
are
Your
excused. Thank you.
Yes. What can I, do you know? I'm a friendly prosecutor. I like to think. Some people say.
What did you say?
Bernice Valdez.
Much good of my friendliness.
All right, just have a seat. Jose Barrera. Jose Barrera. Frederico Ojeda.
President Councilor.
All right, thank you. Ramsey Ibrahim.
Present for him, Your Honor, if I could approach after Dr. Call, he is not present.
Okay. Deshawana Robinson. Makisha Cyphers. All right, thank you. All right, Norma, and is there attorney for Robinson? All right, thank you. Everyone, the court is recessing at noon and the clock is working today. All right, let's see about getting her an attorney.
I'll make sure that he.
Yeah. I used to have I used to whatever you're.
And Norma, on Robinson, we'll just recall it, if we can recall it in 2 weeks.
I can do August 1st, sir.
All right, August 1st.
That sounds right. It's one.
Oh, boy.
What did you need?
Ramsey Ibrahim?
Yes, Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
And she reached out to me last night around midnight, informed me that he wasn't going to be coming to court today, that he had COVID. I told him, I said, well, the court will likely want proof of that.
Yes.
He's not complying with any of the things that I'm asking him to do. He has lied to me. I have another motion to withdraw.
Okay, so this
Once
what's
that-
gonna end up happening.
Once that's accepted, may I approach? He's aware that I'm withdrawing and he is okay with it. Just, I know the court wants to know that information.
Yes. All right, so once he's in custody, I'll take up your motion to withdraw.
Any chance we could get that granted now, Judge?
Yeah.
He's aware of it. No good deed goes unpunished.
I know that.
I've been doing this because he was a friend of a friend. And me coming back here is taking time out of my
Now, I
day.
understand what you're saying,
It's really
but
frustrating.
if you, I understand your frustration and you know, no good deed goes unpunished. That is true.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, sometimes, and it's hard, it was hard for me as a defense attorney too, to just keep things as a business transaction.
Yeah.
When it starts being, you're doing a favor for a friend or somebody you know what ends up happening, what I've discovered, when you do that, people treat your services as though they're not valued.
Exactly what's going on.
And then what will end up happening? I guarantee you, I'm just doing my prediction. When he's taken into custody, he's gonna call you and it's gonna be your fault.
Fair
But-
enough, but as an officer of the court, he's expressed to me that he's okay with me getting off the case. I have a motion on file.
I know.
Me coming back for him to just say, I still want him to be my attorney, when I think the court is probably inclined to grant my motion.
Well, we'll see, but I require people to be here. All right,
Okay,
we're gonna go on the record. Can I have somebody from the state for Ramsey Ibrahim, please? All right, court is calling 2024 CR 3624, State of Texas versus Ramsey Ibrahim. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas.
Jason Wolf for defense.
All right. This hearing was scheduled today at 9:49 a.m. This hearing was scheduled today at 9 a.m. It is now 9:50 a.m. The defendant has not made an appearance. The court will note for the record that on May 29th, 2024, the defendant was a no-show at 11:07 a.m. Then it was recalled for June 11th at the request of the defense attorney, and the defense attorney was unavailable. So the court recalled it for June 13th. On June 13th, it was requested by both parties for the court to recall the warrant, reinstate the PR bond, waive fees, and to re-enroll in Center for Healthcare Services. The court did that. And now we're here on July 15th, and the defendant has not made an appearance. State, what are you requesting?
Stay with that for ball.
All right. The court will issue a judge's warrant and remand your client without bond. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.